Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Ghibli art in ChatGPT. Well, Ghibli art has been a very popular anime style since forever, but it has been a recent trend on the internet to convert your own photos into Ghibli art. So the first thing that you have to do is open your ChatGPT. Now you have to make sure that you are logged into ChatGPT. The first thing that you have to ask ChatGPT is to make your photo into Ghibli art, and you have to upload your own photos. Tap on the plus icon that you can see right here. So after tapping on plus icon here, you can see three different options. If you want to select your photos from your gallery, tap on photos. If the photos are on the files, tap on files. So if you want to click the photo right now and use the photo, you can tap on camera. I'm going to use my photos from the gallery, so I'm going to tap on photos. So after tapping here you can see your gallery has been opened. Now select the photo that you want to turn into Ghibli art. So here you can see I have selected my photo and then tap on the add button that you can see on the top right corner right here. So here you can see your photo is now being uploaded. Now tap on the message ChatGPT right here. Now type make this photo into Ghibli art. Now after typing tap on the send arrow that you can see right here. You can see ChatGPT is turning your photo into Ghibli art and it will take a while. And just like this, you can see ChatGPT has converted your photo into Ghibli art. In order to save it, what you're going to do is long press on the image. And then here you can see the option of save to photo. Tap on it in order to save it to your gallery. And just like this, you have now successfully converted your photo into Ghibli art through ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.